Welcome to the Tijon Parfumerie,
where we believe it is the only place in the entire world where you can choose from over 300 different oils to create your own perfume or cologne. It sounds daunting, but we make it relatively simple and give as much instruction and help as needed. In fact, the most difficult thing for most people is coming up with a name for their fragrance. And with over 300 oils to choose from, the possible combinations in creating a scent is virtually infinite. And you can go from the light, sweet, citrusy scents to some nice, clean, fresh scents, to some floral scents, to some woodsy, to spices, all kinds of different families of perfumes, whatever you like, and you can experiment and find and actually become a perfumer and create your own.
So John, can you explain or tell us a few of the different varieties you have?
Well, the popular varieties are the typical citrus and floral, but we also have some nice woodsy, some spicy, some more masculine with leather and even tobacco and black amber musk. We have some fresh and clean scent. The trend today is a little bit more fresh and clean and green, whereas there's still a lot of floral, citrus, and the like, but the trend is a little fresh notes to it.